It's a cold, snowy Saturday in December, and I am off to the East Coast indoor show at the Timonium Fairgrounds. If you want to see a lot of really cool cars, anywhere from old gassers of the 70s to some even older Model Ts to some newer luxury vehicles, I'm told this is the show to go to. And it's snowy and it's cold. What a great use of time. Let's check it out. Like that one? Is that your favorite, Jeff?
The first practice run for battle motivation. Again, it's representing
Yeah. Is it the color, or do you like it because of how tall it is?
And the red
The one in 1985 Chevy.
Thank you very much.
An actual race car that you like see on TV, you know that?
I also sell podcasts, things to purchase. You can buy some of the toys and donate them toys for cause. If you, during the weekend, will win, you have your chance to win 2 players if you have a chance to not plan. Also, we have a celebrity with us this weekend.
All right, so that's the 2025 East Coast Indoor Nationals here at the Timonium Fairgrounds. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, let me know. I recommend it. It's a good show, especially when it's snowing outside, to come check these cars out.